Welsh and Proud School Songwriting Sessions documentary. Welsh celebrities, including Doctors actress Lou Caulfield, world-renowned WRU referee Nigel Owens, and poet and playwright Patrick Jones are just a few of the names endorsing an LGBTQ songwriting project funded by the Arts Council of Wales. This summer, a total of 5 Cardiff-based secondary schools have been selected to take part in an equality and diversity project. Welsh and Proud School Songwriting Sessions is an inclusive project that encourages collaborative work between mainstream pupils and pupils with additional learning needs. There has been an initial research stage in which older LGBTQ people, such as Welsh actress Lou Caulfield,
be proud of who you are and what you're trying to create,
and WRU referee Nigel Owens
just remember that we're all different in some way.
shared stories. These acted as a songwriting stimulus for pupils. Each song was recorded and filmed as a fly-on-the-wall documentary by Vibe Creative before being professionally judged by a panel of established Welsh artists. And the winning song is The Person Within.
Enjoy life the way you want to. Make the world fit around you, not the other way around. Live life the way you want to. You can't lie to yourself, so be proud. You sit there staring at the wall, just waiting for someone to call. You may think that nobody's there, but trust me, somebody cares. You're waiting for an answer from the person within. It's time to take a chance now. It's time for the win. So let's rejoice. Don't let them get you down. 'Cause it's your choice. Doesn't matter if you're black, white or brown. So let's rejoice. It's time to have your say. Let's hear your voice. It doesn't matter if you're straight, trans or gay. You stand there on the edge of the wall, save yourself from wanting to fall. You may think that people said, but they're in a world of their own. You're waiting for an answer from the person within. It's time to take a chance now. It's time for the win. So let's rejoice. Don't let them get you down. 'Cause it's your choice. Doesn't matter if you're black, white or brown. So let's rejoice. It's time to have your say. Let's hear your voice. It doesn't matter if you're straight, trans or gay. So let's rejoice. Don't let them get you down. 'Cause it's your choice. Doesn't matter if you're black, white or brown. So let's rejoice. It's time to have your say. Let's hear your voice.